create mock-ups in Canva. So to create a mock-up in Canva, open the Canva homepage, which we are on right now. Then I'll go ahead and click on custom size to select the size for our mock-up. I'll click on custom size. Then I'll type in, I usually like to use anything above 2000 pixels. So I'll just type in 2054 width by 2000 pixels. Now click on create a. When I click on create a design, this canvas pops up. Then I'll go to uploads on the left hand side to upload the image I want to use for my mockup. If you have not already uploaded the image, then you can click on upload media. I already have my image uploaded, so I'll just go ahead and click on it. This is a postcard, so I'll just click on it. You can see it has been added to my canvas. So okay, I don't want this image, but then I'll go ahead and click on the one that I want to add it to my canvas. So my image has been added. So to edit my image, I'll select it. Then at the top, you see where it says edit image. So I'll click on edit image. Then all these options pop up. You can see there's an image for smart mockups, there's an image for shadows. But when I scroll down, I'll be able to see all the options I have for smart mockups, since it is a mockup we're going for. So you can see smart mockups. So I'll just go ahead and click on see all to see all the mockups that are available. Then I'll scroll down to view. Canva has a lot of mockups that are actually free. So since this is a postcard, I'll just use the postcard mockup. You can see there is phone mockup, books, t-shirts, many types of mockups, greeting cards and all that. If you scroll down, you see more mobile phone mockups, different types. So there is actually a wide variety for you to choose from, even laptop mockups, business card mockups, and many more. So I'll just go ahead and choose one for my postcard. I think I'll go with this one. So when you click on the mockup that you have selected, then it will take a few seconds to apply to your image. You can see it's applying. You just have to wait a bit. This is actually how it does it. It doesn't apply immediately when it has to do with mockups. As you can see, it has been successfully applied. You can see the image of my postcard. So you go ahead to expand it to fill the canvas. So I'll just click and drag to fill the whole canvas. You can see. So guys, this is my mockup. You can go ahead actually to add text if you want to your mockup, but I don't want to add text to this one. So you can see even wall art mockup, frame mockups, different types of mockups for you to use free on Canva. Hoodies, t-shirts, many types. So after you finish your mockup, then you can click on download if you are satisfied with the final product. So when you click on download, you download your mockup as a PNG file. Yes, as a PNG file. And you can click on download and it will be downloaded to your computer. So guys, this is how you create fine beautiful mockups in Canva for free. I hope you have learned one or two things from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and write in the comments on future videos. Bye.